I was suffering from snoring and headache, post-wake up and feeling heavy post-sleep. I was scared to get operated since it was a surgery to nose and throat. I was super scared, but my thought process was completely changed. I got operated and very second day onwards, I was able to do tasks and snoring was gone. And I was supercharged post-sleep. I honestly and sincerely recommend Dr. Prashanth Reddy if you're suffering from the snoring and any symptoms where you have breathing issue. These folks will treat you like a VIP and continuous support throughout. Thanks team for all your help.